You're looking at a 2020 Tesla Model S Long Range Plus, all electric, dual motor, electric vehicle, all-wheel drive with 32,000 miles. This vehicle comes loaded up, ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, premium interior. It's rated at 402 miles by the EPA, 100%. It's currently getting 387 at 100% charge. That comes with base autopilot. The number's right there. Gray exterior, cream interior, navigation, backup camera, parking sensors, climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated wiper, adaptive suspension. 32,819 is the mileage. Premium audio, ultra high fidelity. Intel Atom MCU 2, obviously. It's got just about every bell and whistle except full self-driving, which you can upgrade to. It does have the computer, so you can subscribe to it for $200 a month, or you can purchase it for $15,000. Still under full factory warranty. Also has an 8-year unlimited mile powertrain, so the battery and the drive units are covered for 8 years unlimited miles. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.